Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your wallpaper on iPhone Air. To change your wallpaper, you will need to do, it's gonna be quick, but I'm gonna put this video into two parts, a simple part and then a more complex part with more customization options. So let's go to the settings app and then go to wallpaper. And now you can either customize your current wallpaper or add a new one. In the other part of the video, I'll explain what's the difference between a new one and customizing a current one. I'll just create a new one. And now you can select a wallpaper from photos. You can do a photo shuffle. You can do emoji wallpaper, color wallpaper, or some other ones provided by Apple. So as you can see right here, there's lots of different wallpapers. This is like the wallpaper of the iPhone Air series, which is, you know, the exclusive for iPhone Air. And you can also set the one for photos, as I said, although I don't really have pretty photos on my phone right now, so maybe I'll go to this one. I really like this wallpaper. And now you can enable or disable depth. You can do change the clock and stuff like that. But of course, this is for the more complex part of the video. If you want to do it simply, just click on add. Now you can either set it as wallpaper pair, so the lock screen and the home screen will be the same, or customize the home screen by changing the home screen to either a color, a gradient. You can also set the photo but blur it out, or you can set a different photo. And now you can choose a photo to set. Now I'll actually select a photo to set. Just a random one, honestly. And this is basically how you set your wallpaper. So it's a pretty simple thing, right? Okay, it's gonna load for too long because it's in my iCloud. I don't really want it. I'll just set it to a color maybe. Let's set it to black, so it's just not distracting. And now, as you can see, it is there. So we have the black and we have the wallpaper. Now let's get to the more complex part. So first I'll explain what's different between customizing and adding a new wallpaper. When you press and hold on your lock screen, you'll need to unlock it, so I'll look at the phone. Okay, now let's press and hold. I can switch between different wallpapers that I have, and what it does is it not only changes my wallpaper very quickly, but I can also assign different focus modes. Focus modes are explained in a different video on the channel called how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on iPhone Air. But yeah. You can assign a focus mode, so when you switch the wallpaper, a focus mode also switches, and when you switch the focus mode, the wallpaper will switch, right? So just, it works vice versa. So this is the first thing, and now you can add a new one, of course, but you can customize the current one. I'll customize this one because I've already started it. And at the top, you can change the top widget. You can set it to a date, but you can also add the weather. Add your fitness calories, add your other stuff like medications scheduled, or enable journal new entry, or do something else like, let's see, stocks, or maybe sunrise and sunset. There's really lots of different options, and I'll leave it on maybe the stock. And let's go to clock. Clock can be also changed, and it can be changed like that, the font of it, the color of it. It can be glass or solid. It can have different thicknesses. And what it can also have is when you disable depth, you can see this is the depth effect. The clock goes behind some elements of the wallpaper. When I click on it now, not really sure why it doesn't work. Well, it doesn't work. I should have this like little handle here that I could slide down to increase the height of the clock. But I can't do it for whatever reason, and I'm not really happy with it. By the way, you can change the digits to different than Arabic. Yeah, I can't resize it right now. You can change these two buttons at the bottom as well by clicking on minus, then clicking on plus and selecting one. Then you can also add widgets, and you can add different widgets here. Let's maybe add my battery status. Let's also add the world clock. You can later customize these widgets for them to work just by clicking on them, right? So once it's set, of course. And maybe let's no sleeps car. Let's do something else. Let's do the weather. Let's do that. Okay, now we have everything. Now when I click on done, it's working. I'm gonna just click on the weather so I can actually see the weather. Okay, but it still doesn't work because there was some notification. Yeah, it's gonna refresh itself. And that will be about it about the wallpaper. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.